Hey guys, I want to get on today and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. When you're working, you're doing things around the house, or you're doing stuff at your work, or you're doing things on the weekend, or you're doing things each day. And if you get tired, my suggestion is don't quit what you're doing, but just relax, sit down, and take a break. Sometimes we get so overwhelmed with things that we just don't know which way to go. If we're cleaning out of a closet, or we're cleaning out our desk, or if we're just doing daily chores, we get tired. As we get older, that's just the way it is. So sit down, have a cup of coffee, have a cup of tea, have iced tea, have an iced coffee, whatever. Just relax. Put your feet up. Now, so you'll say, I can't do that. I don't have time for that. Make time for it. Just make a few minutes. So don't give up. Relax just a little while and begin again. And don't give up. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you until tomorrow. I'm sending you a hug. I hope you feel it.